Are you worried about your skin? So, today I will discuss with you 10 foods that support healthy aging. As we age, the foods we can eat greatly affect our fitness, appearance, quality of life, and disease risks. Our body really on various nutrients to support the naturally aging process. Some nutrients may be help slowly sign of aging, such as by promoting health skin. It's important to note that eating specific food is not going to make you look noticeably younger, but that nutrients is only the aspect of aging well. Still, adding nutritious food to your diet can help you look and feel your best as you get older. In generally, try to eat healthy source of protein, healthy source of fat, food that rich in antioxidant. Here are 10 nutrients food that support healthy aging. First one is extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil has strong anti-inflammatory properties that may protect against severe skin aging and chronic disease. The next one is green tea. Green tea has strong antioxidant properties. As such, it may help to protect the skin against free radical damage that can occur as a result of external factors like pollution and sunlight. Next is fatty fish. Fatty fish is a highly nutritious food that can promote your healthy skin. Its long-chain omega-3 fatty acids are benefit against heart disease, inflammation, and many other issues. So, if you will see in skin, then fatty acids such as the salmon are high in omega-3 fatty acid, protein, selenium, which are all the associated with healthier skin. And then fourth number is dark chocolate. Fourth number is dark chocolate. In the dark chocolate, rich source of the phytophenols, which act as antioxidant in our body. Dark chocolate contains flavonols that act as an antioxidant in the body. Some preliminary research suggests it may improve skin health. Vegetables. Most vegetables are extremely nutrient dense and low in calorie. They contain antioxidants which help reduce the risk of heart disease, cataract, and certain cancer. Vegetables are rich in antioxidants that can help protect your skin from sun damage and help support healthy skin renewal. Flaxseed offer impressive health benefits. Flaxseed contain of antioxidant known as a ligands help fight free radical in the body. Furthermore, they are high in omega-3 known as alpha linolenic acids, ALA, which support a healthy skin member. Pomegranate is like most fruit, pomegranate are fully of healthy nutrients. It's high fiber, potassium and vitamin K which help support healthy heart. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants that may help with skin repair, protect the skin against sun-related damage. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy fat, fiber, and several vitamins and minerals that are essential for health. Avocado rich in monosaturated fat and antioxidant, which help support a healthy skin membrane and prevent free radical damage lead to the aging. Tomatoes provide many impressive health benefits, several of which are attributed to their high lycopene content. Tomatoes are in lycopene, which may provide minor protection from the sun UV ray. The next is collagen peptide. Collagen is the body's most abundant protein. It's particularly found in high amount in the skin and joint. As we age, our body begins to break down collagen and produce the less effectivity. This can lead to gradual signs of skin aging, such as wrinkles and the sagging skin. Many studies in humans have shown that consume hydrolyzed collagen peptide improve skin hydration, elasticity, and firmness. In the bottom line, The food you eat can play a role in the health of your skin, including how your skin changes as you get older. In particular, these foods that are high in protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants are linked to the most skin benefit. Along with it, a nutrition diet full of whole plant-based food. Consider protecting your skin with other habits such as wearing sunscreen, avoid smoking, stay physically active, and use appropriate skincare product. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and on the bell icon for my new videos.